6 ways to speak English at home. English is an essential language that is spoken worldwide. It is the language of business, international relations, and technology, making it important for people to know and speak fluently. Learning and speaking English can be challenging, but it is possible to improve one's skills by practicing at home. In this video, we will discuss 6 ways to speak English at home. 1. Watch English movies and TV shows. One of the best ways to learn English is by watching English movies and TV shows. This will expose you to different accents, slang, and vocabulary used by native speakers. To start, you can watch English shows with subtitles in your native language. As you become more comfortable, you can switch to English subtitles and then eventually watch without subtitles. Make sure to pause and repeat phrases that you don't understand. 2. Read English books and articles. Reading English books and articles is another effective way to improve your English speaking skills. This will help you to expand your vocabulary, understand sentence structures, and learn how to express your thoughts in English. You can start by reading simple books and articles and gradually move to more complex ones. You can also read books that are related to your interests to keep you engaged and motivated. 3. Join an English speaking club. Joining an English speaking club is an excellent way to practice speaking English with other learners. You can join online groups or local clubs that meet regularly. In these clubs, you can participate in discussions, debates, and presentations in English. You can also receive feedback from other members, which can help you to identify areas for improvement. 4. Practice with a language exchange partner. Having a language exchange partner is another effective way to practice speaking English. You can find a partner online or in your local community who is a native English speaker or also learning English. You can set up regular meetings to chat in English, correct each other's mistakes, and practice speaking fluently. This can be a fun and effective way to improve your English skills while making new friends. 5. Learn with a native English teacher online. Another effective way to practice speaking English at home is to learn with native speakers online. There are many online platforms where you can connect with English tutors or conversation partners who are native speakers. These tutors or conversation partners can help you to improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar skills. You can find language tutors or conversation partners on platforms such as Hello. Online platforms like Hello allow you to connect with tutors or conversation partners from all over the world, so you can choose someone who speaks the accent or dialect that you want to learn. During your lessons or conversations, you can practice speaking, listening, and asking questions. The tutors or conversation partners can also give you feedback and corrections to help you improve. Learning with native speakers online can be a convenient and flexible way to improve your English speaking skills. You can schedule lessons or conversations at a time that is convenient for you, and you can learn from the comfort of your own home. This can be especially useful for those who live in areas where it is difficult to find native English speakers to practice with in person. 6. Speak English with family and friends. Finally, You can practice speaking English with your family and friends at home. This is an excellent opportunity to practice speaking in a comfortable environment without the fear of making mistakes. You can talk about your daily activities, interests, and other topics that interest you. This will help you to build your confidence and improve your English speaking skills. In conclusion, speaking English at home can be challenging, but it is possible to improve with practice. Watching English movies and TV shows, reading English books and articles, joining an English-speaking club, practicing with a language exchange partner, having online lessons with native speakers, and speaking English with family and friends are some of the effective ways to improve your English speaking skills. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can become more fluent and confident in speaking English.